All right. Hello, computer studies students. This is our team, our space within the Microsoft Teams platform through which we're going to be doing our course. So I just wanted to give you a short video that will show you around our new classroom, digital classroom, and give you an idea of where you need to go to find out the information you need and what are the options available to you. So right now we're in the general channel, and I just want to take you over to the class notebook. The class notebook's going to be a really important place where you're going to get all the information you need to find out what you're doing in class. So if I click on class notebook, you'll see that we have a what should you be doing page, which is designed to give you that information as fast as possible. You can click on the activity page to find out what's going on today or any day in the past. So far, we only have one day, Wednesday, April 15th. This will be the things you're doing. Sort of like an agenda, the type of thing a teacher might write on the whiteboard to say, hey, here's what we're doing today. So for tomorrow, or I guess it'll probably be today when you see this, on the April 15th, just go through these 6 things and take a look at them and do what it says to do with them. There's going to be more of these coming, so every day there'll be a new post here in the daily activities. So when you get to class on your computer, you can go and just immediately check out daily activities to find out what we're doing. The assignments page is going to be a page where we'll take at a glance look at any particular project we're doing. Sometimes projects take more than one class to complete. In fact, some of our websites took, a month to complete. So this will be a place, I can't show you yet, we don't have any projects yet, but this will be a place where you can see, all the videos for one particular project or the due date or whatever lessons or resources or whatever are connected to a particular project. So there'll just be a bunch of sort of groups of projects in this page. So that'll be a useful thing coming up. You also have your own notebook. So if you click on, you'll only see your own name here. I see everybody, but this will be a private space for you to work with, and I'll be able to see it as well. So, for example, I'll require you to write something in your notebook. So this is where you would go. You can make a new page and then type some stuff out. Maybe I'll ask you to watch a video and answer some questions about it. So this is where you could do that information. You can make new pages really easily. So that's where you would go if I asked you to write in your student notebook. So this is the main thing to understand about the notebook is we have these sort of daily activity and assignment pages, and then you have your own space as well to work in. Now to go back to the main posts area for the general channel, the idea behind this is just a place for me to give announcements. So when you show up to class, this is actually the first page you see. So you can just take a look and see if there's any new announcements. Here's one, for example, about the acceptable use of technology policy for the Vancouver School Board. I just want you to read that over again and give that an emote when you're done to say that you've read it. That's one of our activities for today. So that's what the purpose of this general posts area is, just announcements about the course, important information for you to find out about. So keep your eye on this and read any new posts that come along. The next channel is the attendance channel. So you can see there are going to be 3 announcements for each day. So here's April 15th, block 1-1, block 1-2, block 1-3. So when you show up to class, you can just like this. Pardon me. Ooh, excuse me. I'm so boring. It's just late. It's 11 o'clock at night, so I guess I'm getting sleepy. But anyways, you're going to just like these posts when you arrive to class. So on April 15th, when you get up early at 8:30 or whatever to show up to class for block 1-1, you can click the like to say, yes, I've shown up. And if you're in block 1-2, you click this one. And if you're in block 1-3, you'll click this one. You can choose whatever emote you like. Hopefully you're not sad, but feel free to emote the way you are feeling. Or just give a thumbs up. I see Clara, thanks for giving us already a thumbs up on this. It's not the April 15th though, so I guess you're early to class. I'm actually not too worried about the exact time when you give these thumbs up. So if you're in in the position of being in block 1-1 and you sleep in or something, like, as long as you check it, before the end of the school day, and you come and you do your work, that's okay by me. The purpose of these is just to see, is there anybody who's not attending at all? Excuse me. Oh dear. Are there people that maybe are mentally unwell or physically unwell and they're not showing up? That's what this attendance is all about. It's not really like keeping track if you're skipping or not. Like, what does it even mean to be skipping in this digital world? So it's really just to keep track of our people in our community and make sure everyone's doing okay. So please do your part and make that easier on us, and be emoting these on a every day one when you show up to your class. And if you aren't, I'm going to be calling home or sending emails to find out how you're doing and making sure everything's okay. All right, that's the attendance channel. Next is the discussion channel. Here's your place to ask questions or make comments about the course. So if you're not sure what's going on, if something's not working, if you tried to do something and it doesn't work, you can't find a resource, whatever question you got or comments you got about the course, you can put them in this channel. And feel free to answer other students' questions. If somebody is asking a question and you know the answer, please feel free to post a response to them, a reply. That's the story. Next, we got the OffTopic channel. This one's been buzzing a bit. We got Farzat dropping some knowledge bombs. Carson's dropping some appreciation. And I got a video that I recorded of me exploring this area, which I thought was pretty amusing. It's me inside of a video stream looking at the default backgrounds of teams. So check that out. It's pretty fun. But otherwise, in general, this channel is for if you want to post something that isn't related to the course, but maybe you thought it was interesting, or maybe you thought it would be appreciated by other people. Make sure it's appropriate, of course. And if you want to just brighten someone's day with something funny or amusing, that's a good place to put it here. As long as it's appropriate and it's not offending anybody, that sounds like a good thing to do. Let's make each other laugh a bit in this channel. I think that'll be good times. Hey, last but not least, we got this opportunities channel. It's full of optional activities for you to do. It is, again, optional. You do not have to do these, but if you are interested in doing more programming, these are mostly related to programming, please feel free to come on in here, take a look at these options. There's all these free resources. The whole world of programming is, during this pandemic, has been opening their doors to all these expensive courses and offering them for free. Some of them are really small and short and don't take a lot of time. Some of them are huge and are an entire university course. A lot of these things are pretty advanced. I've been posting them in my AP class and my Programming 12 and Programming 11 channels as well. So, some of them might not be appropriate for your skill level, but some of them might be, and some of you are actually really advanced and might find these useful. So feel free to check out Code Academy. They're usually a premium service that have sort of video lessons and programming lessons about all sorts of different programming topics. They're free for 90 days. You can check out Unity, and interested in learning Unity. Some of you already are. It's great for making games. There's lots of professionally made mobile games and other games that are made in Unity, so you can learn all about it. The Unity's own premium course is free. Manning Books is a respected publisher for programming books, so if you want to go read about programming, read about stuff, then you can check that out. Free books from May 31st. Sort of like a rental thing where you don't pay any money for this time. And then last but not least, we got Photoshop is free. You need to download this because we're going to be doing some Photoshop in this class. It's available. There's a link I have in the class notebook as well. But this is an important thing because, web designers often use Photoshop to make beautiful graphics, and Photoshop makes the web so much more beautiful. So we're going to be doing some fun stuff with Photoshop. So download this. It's free for VSB students. Just click on this, use your VSB email address, and you can just go download it. So let me know if that doesn't work for you. I think that's about it. That's what's going on. And I'm going to post this video right here in the posts of the general channel. It's one of the first thing you'll see. And I look forward to learning all about computers with you inside of this digital environment. What a great lesson just on its own. Okay, thanks everybody. Have a great day.